so hard being a good girl. Is it good, Everett? Certainly foggy this morning.
Morning, folks. Welcome back to Talbot Lake. My name's Matt. I have Everett, and Daisy, and Tucky here this morning, and I haven't started the camera yet, other than a little bit of film for breakfast, because I didn't want to get all of the cussing that was associated with me putting that hose back on the backhoe that I took off last time. Taking stuff off and putting it back on are two totally different things. I just repaired it. I brazed some new ends on those hardline ends, and then I have a hose making machine at home and just made a short piece to go in between. Anyway, got that done. Everett helped me fill it up with hydraulic oil, and so it's steering. We just moved our vehicles out of the way and moved the skid steer off of the top of our stairs. So now I'm going to come over with the backhoe and try to lift the stairs up. Put that up there. If we can get that bolted down this morning, then we can start laying out wood to build a wall. I think I've got my measurements, my rough opening measurements for my windows and my doors that aren't ready yet, but I think I have the rough opening measurements. It was super foggy this morning. Like when I came out of the camper, you could barely see the water, which is only what, 40 yards away, 50 yards away. The birds. Yeah. Everett went turkey hunting this morning and thought he had one in the trap and put his gun back on safe, and then realized it was only in the trap. It hadn't got caught in the trap, so it ran away from him. He was a little aggravated about that. So, anyway, I'm gonna get to it and stop talking. Done with that. These are called a timber screw. They're supposed to be stronger than a standard screw. They will bend a little bit like a nail, or Okay, battery went dead. We ate lunch. Everett got stung by a bee. Drama ensued everywhere. Ensued? What the hell? What kind of word is ensued?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either. Anyway, drama filled lunch hour. So we're gonna get back at it. Tucky's cut like 20 pieces of wood just in the time it took me to get the camera set up. So I'm gonna start screwing together stuff for this window and put you all on time lapse and go.
What do you want? I don't have anything.
Oh God, it's so slick. It doesn't have a floor. All right, folks, we're calling it for the day. I don't know, it's probably 5 o'clock or so. Our knees and backs and arms and necks and everything are killing us. But we got the studs all the way up to the door. put in. We got the window framed out, a rough opening. Oh.
I didn't know. Didn't know he's leaving it with me. It's just not.
Calling back. Put him on speakerphone. What'd you get? Hey, that's all right. You need help getting the one out of the tree?
No, I'm trying to get him right now. It's like on taxi.
Oh. All right. Well, if you need help, holler.
I'm sitting in the closet right now. So
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
on the back of the closet.
Yeah, wherever you want.
Leave the door open or
Just close it.
in the pew.
Hey, you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, we heard you shoot 3 times. Good for you, man. Good job.
Okay, bye.
So, about an hour and a half ago, Everett went up. He took the Honda up and went into one of the deer stands. Was sitting there, and I guess several turkey came in, and he killed 2 with 3 shots. So, anyway, I'm happy for him. He's been having a rough day. He got stung with that bee. He's had a bad headache. It's tough being a kid, I guess. He couldn't get the Honda started, so I had to finally walk over and show him that you had to actually make contact when you put the battery cable on the battery. And then he started it, and he wasn't paying attention. He drove right into that little tree just this side of Alex's tree. Actually, I guess I'm glad it's there so he didn't run over Alex's tree. I mean, it wasn't a bump. He hit it like branches come falling out of the tree. It was. I mean, it's a tree that big around. It was pretty solid. Anyway, it's tough being a kid. I'll give him that. But anyway, we're calling it. We're done. Like I said, we got half of the front wall done, and next weekend we can get the other half. I'm going to try to bring some plywood that we can put plywood on it, or OSB. We finally caught some axis in our axis deer trap, so we'll get a couple $1,000s out of that, and we'll use that to buy some lumber. So anyway, you have anything to say, Daisy? Huh? You have anything to say? Sweep the floor. You are the best floor sweeper ever.
Yes, pretty cool.
All right. Merry Christmas, guys. It's just a couple weeks to Christmas, and I hope y'all have a blessing. All right.